7 reasons why your car won't start after getting gas. So you've just topped off your gas tank and are ready to hit the road, only to find your engine refusing to start. Well, what does this mean and what can you do about it? While this situation can be very frustrating, there are several plausible reasons for it. In this video, we will talk about why your car might fail to start after refueling, discuss other potential effects of bad gas, and provide tips to avoid this issue in the future. So let's get started. First of all, if you are new here on the channel, please subscribe and turn on the post notifications so you won't miss out on our uploads. Here are 7 reasons why a car won't start after getting gas. The most common reason why a car won't start after getting gas is due to a malfunctioning EVAP purge control valve, which can result in fuel vapor being forced into the intake manifold. Other possibilities include a dead battery, a clogged fuel filter, or a faulty fuel pump. Here's a closer look at the common reasons your car might refuse to start after refueling. 1. Bad EVAP purge control valve. The EVAP purge control valve is a common cause when your car won't start after refueling. This valve regulates the release of fuel vapors from the gas tank. If it gets stuck open, fuel vapors may be forced into the intake manifold when you refuel. This can lead to an overabundance of fuel in the combustion chambers, making it difficult to start the engine after a fill-up. Additionally, leaks or blockages in the EVAP system can cause similar issues. It's crucial to inspect the system thoroughly if you suspect a malfunctioning valve. Dead battery. A failing or dead battery is another common reason your car won't start. Car batteries typically last between 3 to 5 years and often show warning signs before failing completely. If you've noticed dimming lights or struggling accessories, it may be time to replace your battery. Corroded connections can also prevent your car from starting, so regular cleaning with a baking soda solution is essential. If the battery is dead at the gas pump, move your vehicle away from the pumps before jump-starting it to avoid any potential sparks near the fuel. Clogged fuel filter. The fuel filter protects your engine by trapping debris and contaminants from the fuel. Over time, this filter can become clogged, restricting fuel flow and eventually causing a no-start situation. Before reaching this stage, you'll likely notice reduced engine performance and lower fuel efficiency. Most manufacturers recommend replacing the fuel filter every 20,000 to 30,000 miles. Following this schedule and using high-quality fuel can help prevent clogs. Defective fuel pump. The fuel pump, located inside the gas tank, is crucial for delivering fuel to the engine. If it overheats or becomes damaged, often due to running on low fuel levels, it can fail. Signs of a failing fuel pump include engine sputtering at high speeds, whining noises from the tank, or frequent stalling. Diagnosing a bad fuel pump typically requires a fuel pressure test, which can be a challenging task, but I will link a video that breaks down the steps in the description box below. Bad starter. If your car's starter motor fails, you won't be able to crank the engine. This problem often manifests as a clicking noise when you turn the key. Temporary fixes include tapping the starter to help it bypass a dead spot or bump starting the engine if you're driving a manual transmission car. However, replacing the starter is ultimately necessary. Failing alternator. A faulty alternator might trick you into thinking your battery has failed. While the battery powers your car's electronics, the alternator charges the battery when the engine is running. If the alternator isn't functioning correctly, the battery will drain prematurely. Use a multimeter to test the alternator. The voltage should read between 12.5 and 12.8 volts when the engine is off and significantly higher when running. Issues with spark. Your engine's spark plugs ignite the fuel-air mixture for combustion. When a plug is worn or fouled, it can cause misfires or trouble starting the engine. Beyond spark plugs, problems with the ignition module, spark plug wires, or circuit could also be to blame. To avoid issues, replace spark plugs according to your car manufacturer's recommendations. Additionally, let's look at some of the common symptoms you will experience with bad gas. Besides the fact that bad fuel can prevent your car from starting, it can also cause issues like stalling, rough idling, or strange engine noises. and even illuminate the check engine light. Gas contamination often occurs due to poor handling or improper storage at the station. To avoid this issue, always fuel up at reputable stations with high-quality standards. What to do when the car won't start after getting gas? Facing a no-start situation at the pump can be stressful, but staying calm is key. Here are a few steps to troubleshoot the issue. 1. Attempt to restart the engine. It might work on the second try. 2. Check the battery connections. Secure any loose terminals. 3. If the battery is dead, push the car away from the pump before jump-starting it. 4. Move the car to a safe location for further diagnostics or repairs. 5. If the issue persists, call a tow service and seek professional help. So there you have it. If you love this guide, then be sure to check out this other video here, where we talk about some of the common signs and symptoms of a damaged and faulty EGR valve. Have a question or thoughts? Leave them in the comment section, and we will try to reply to each and every one. See you in the next video. Bye.